This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on captions on the Instagram app. Instagram has a speech recognition technology to automatically create captions for videos. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to Instagram here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To enable captions on Instagram, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on settings. Then you want to go down and tap on account. And then right in here you see captions. You'll tap on that. And then you'll enable it right in here. Video posts you watch will show auto-generated captions. That is how you enable captions on the Instagram app. Thanks for watching.